Namaste everyone, I am Neha Vaish, second year BML student, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And here is a new video in which same Q&A part 2 with my mental friends.
Oh my dad. Oh my dad.
So I hope you guys will enjoy.
अच्छा
Neha, you have to be careful. Neha, you have to be careful. What you? So Jagrati, do you believe that ragging still exists?
I think ragging still exists, especially in engineering colleges. But I also think it happens in medical colleges. But हमारे college में ऐसे कुछ नहीं हुआ. The seniors were very nice to us.
चुप हो जाओ.
And do you remember that these fourth year seniors they came to our hostel?
They had come to our hostel in the first day, and they told us how much they are against ragging. And
अरे मुझे चक्कर आने लगा अब.
Like in the name of introduction, they'll just have fun.
yeah, so they also said they can only ask your name and batch. They can only ask you to find out their batch. They cannot ask you any entertainment. So that would be ragging. So yeah, I think ragging doesn't exist in our college.
ये बड़ी ही विचित्र और वाहियात बात की है आप.
But what I feel is everybody has their own ways to rag. They'll tell ki okay they are taking intro, and I still remember they'll make you sing and dance if you know. So it is there. So the next question is for Netra. You have to describe BMS in one word.
Whatever you feel, say. I think it's fascinating.
Fascinating. Hey, अच्छी है.
Nostalgic, baby.
Hey Netra, describe.
Saku, one word and
No, you have to describe properly. Nostalgic, how?
Meaning of nostalgia.
This like-
She finds it nostalgic.
or time per something. Oh.
Control, Uday.
Okay. So, will you recommend anyone to pursue BAMS?
I would recommend everyone. I would actually recommend everybody to actually inculcate integrative medicine.
What do you think about the scope of Ayurveda?
Scope of Ayurveda.
You start.
You start.
If you'll see the current situation, our PM, Honorable PM G, is promoting Ayurveda very nicely. So I feel like there are lots of ways, and when we are learning lots of things, so there are new job opportunities, and it depends on the person's capability how he can take his skills. So that's what I will say. Because I can see all the teachers and all in my college, they are practicing very nicely. So I believe that there is a lot of scope in Ayurveda.
No, I don't have any.
She doesn't have any scope.
I don't have any.
What do you aspire to be after you graduate?
I don't have any plans and all.
She'll
I'll just go with the flow.
She will marry with a nice, handsome guy. So we had to wake up at around 4 o'clock and then take bath and wear that sari, and then after that the puja started around 6 and it was a homa, and then it ended around 7, and then we had a breakfast, and we went to the ceremony where the distinguished guests came and spoke, and we took oaths along with the PG students, and
Yeah, it was a
Shishyapanayana, it's like a Shishya and Guru Parampara, in which the Guru has to choose the Shishya and then to whom to teach. Like in ancient time, this used to happen. So, as we are Ayurvedic students, it has celebrated. So, we'll not celebrate Freshers' Day and all. So, we'll be having Shishyapanayana. In that, we'll be wearing sari and all, and we'll attend Homa. And after that, we can go and tell sir to tie what we have to what they will tie, the daga and all.
yeah, it's just an amulet that they tie, which is being blessed. So we need to go to any of our favorite teacher and then get it tied.
Yeah. At last, what you will tell to our viewers?
Do like, share, and subscribe to my friend channel. And thank you.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. We just finished shooting.
We didn't.
Finally, we reached in the bus.
Namaste. Okay, namaste. Namaste all.
Everyone.
Namaste everyone, and I'm
Hey, Zora, be loud. So the
Namaste everyone, and I am Netravati SK of BMS
Second year BMS student.
UG. And I welcome you. And we welcome you back to the YouTube channel.